In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Calendly with PayPal or Stripe so you can accept payments seamlessly when people book time with you. This is a great way to automate your scheduling and your payment collection at the same time, and it helps ensure you're only meeting with people who have already paid. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your Calendly account in a web browser. You'll also want to have either a PayPal account, a Stripe account, or both ready to connect. If you don't have those set up yet, you can pause this walkthrough, create your accounts on PayPal or Stripe, and then come back here to connect everything to Calendly. Once you're signed into Calendly, start by heading to your main dashboard. From here, you're going to look for the area where Calendly keeps all of its integrations. Typically, this is labeled as integrations and apps. You'll usually find this option in the main navigation menu, often on the left-hand side or in the top menu, depending on any layout changes. Go ahead and click on Integrations and Apps to open the integrations page. This page is where Calendly lists all the tools and services it can connect with. It may be a long list, and that's okay. You're interested in the payment processors, specifically PayPal and Stripe. Take a moment to scroll through the available integrations, or if there's a search bar on the page, you can type Stripe or PayPal to find them more quickly. When you see the Stripe integration, you'll notice its recognizable logo or icon. The same goes for PayPal. Locate either Stripe or PayPal, depending on which one you want to use first, and click directly on the icon. Clicking the icon will open a dedicated page or panel with more details about that integration. On the integration page, you should see an option to connect this service to your Calendly account. Look for the Connect button. This is what tells Calendly you're ready to link your payment account. Click the Connect button. After clicking Connect, Calendly will redirect you to the official Stripe or PayPal website in a secure window. Here, you'll be asked to sign into your payment account if you're not already logged in. Enter your login details directly on the Stripe or PayPal site, not inside Calendly. This is important for security and ensures your payment information stays protected. Once you're logged in, Stripe or PayPal will ask you to confirm that you want to authorize Calendly to accept payments on your behalf. Review the permissions shown on the screen. When you're comfortable with what's being shared, approve or authorize the connection. When the authorization is complete, you'll be sent back to Calendly, where you should now see that your chosen payment provider is connected. From here, you can go into your individual event types and add payment requirements, such as setting a price for your sessions and choosing the connected provider. That's all you need to integrate Calendly with PayPal or Stripe. By connecting through the integrations and app section, selecting your payment provider, and clicking connect, you streamline both scheduling and payments in one smooth workflow.